Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be fitting a slip-on exhaust on my beautiful Roadrunner. So I'll show you what I've got. Today we are going to be putting on this LeoVince slip-on exhaust. Decided to go with a slip-on, and let's see how the stock exhaust sounds. So let's go ahead and put this on. It's pretty simple for this bike. We're just going to remove that and remove the collar. I don't think I need to really film that. It's just loosening a couple screws, pulling out the exhaust, putting the new one on, reattaching that, reattaching the collar. I can handle it. Tools being used are, I think this will work, this socket, 1/2 inch, and it's a T45. Okay, got it off, super easy. Actually, on the collar, to get the Acura collar off, I needed a T30 also. So you can see the size difference. I just don't like the huge look of the Acura, so I think this Leo is much better looking. I like the black. Let's go ahead and put it on, and then weight wise, yeah, it's pretty significant amount of weight wise too. Okay, let's get this put on. Okay, that took me like 10 minutes to do. Really easy. Let's see how it looks and how it sounds. I'm excited. That's because the cat is still on the bike. I was hoping for a nice low grumble. Alright, I'm going to let it idle for a little bit in case the ECU needs to catch up with anything. There he is. I think it's a he. Out in the sunlight, all shiny. I will admit, I cannot stand the look of that, but for now, let's just go with it. Let's turn it on outside. Well, it looks better. I can't say to my ears that it sounds any different. Yeah, that sounds pretty much the same. Oh well. Oh well. I like the looks. Yeah. Alright. Let's take a little ride. You know, the SC Project I put on my KTM sounded completely different from the stock exhaust. Protect me, Father, in Jesus' mighty name. Yeah, it looks better. And it wasn't very expensive. Well, the bike probably lost a couple pounds, I would say. At least. I don't know. Might be a little louder. But I thought it was going to sound deeper, you know? I like the deep growl. Yeah, second gear does have a little bit of a flat spot in it. I'm hoping that this Brentune thing works out for me. I've been having a difficult time with it. I'm not even in my Race Pro 1 mode. I'm just in dynamic, which is pretty fun. I'll open it up. Woohoo! Remember when I was first YouTube vlogging on my FZ07. And I mean, you know, I had just started riding and I wanted to start a channel because as I was trying to pick out my very first motorcycle, I did my homework. I watched a lot of vlogs, you know. Oh, a big bug just hit me. I'd be out riding and making my videos. People would comment, "Give it some beans, man. Give it the beans." Dude, I'm kind of a beginner rider. Anyway, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Have just acquired, not very long ago, this gorgeous M1000R. It's a competition pack and it's beautiful. It's more than I need, but I just could not help myself when I saw it. Oh, I love this motorcycle. Oh. The quick shifter, auto blipper, best in the business. Best I've ever felt. Got this song stuck in my head. Oh man, what a day. Oh, it's just perfect here. 70 and slow in July. What? Oh my gosh, these are so comfortable. I'm gonna feel better right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Mommy likes its gloves. Oh, I like them. Oh, let's do it now. There we go. All right, let's try Race Pro 1. See if I get some pops on the way home. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. All right, maybe this little slip-on needs to break in a little bit. Oh, I heard some pops and gurgles. There we go. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. I think I'm in love now. The beating of my heart is the only sound.